Life as a race car driver. Take one.
Hi, I'm Brent, and this is the life of a race car driver. I wake up. Dad yells at me because I'm still asleep. I get Leo up. We go to the shop. Call Jamie. Jamie's late because he's with a girl. Jack up the car. Put a good dip in. Take off the tires. Wash the car. Go eat at Huertas. Come back. Put a good dip in. Let the car down. Jack it back up because we forgot to put the tires on it. Drive it in the shop. Jack it up. Take the tires back off of it. Change the gears. Sit on tires. Check Facebook and Twitter. Dad yells at me because car's not done. Get off the tire. Put a good dip in. Clean the oil that Leo spilled.
Go buy a kitty litter.
Shut up. Check the front end. Set the toe. Fix the body. Let Jamie fix the body. Let the car down. Jack it back up. Put the tires back on. Check the lug nuts. Let the car down. Drive it out of the shop onto the trailer. Forget to strap the car down. Stop in the middle of the road. Strap the car down. Juice fine. Head to the racetrack. Scream at Drake. Turn on rap music and turn our hats sideways. Pull into the pits. Draw a sucky number. Get our parking spot. Sit on the tires. Unload the car. Put a good dip in. Go to the concession stand. Get a Brent new burger. Go talk to people. Anybody, just people. Go back to the car. Put a good dip in. Jack the car up to check the stagger. Put the tires on after we check the stagger. Yell at Drake. Get ready for hot lapping. Go out to hot laps. Car feels like poop. Come in from hot laps. Put a good dip in. Sit on tires. Dad yells at me because the car is not getting worked on. Turn the camera away. I'm not ready. Jamie says I look like poop. Yell at Jamie for saying I look like poop. Jack the car up. Put a good dip in. Get ready for a feature. Pull up and line up for the feature. This video is getting stupider, but I'm going to finish. Check the tire pressure in the lineup because we forgot to. Pull out for the feature. Come from the back. Get wrecked for the third time. Pull in mad. Jamie wants to fight the other guys. We decide not to. We load the car. We head home. Put a good dip in. Take a dip out because we forgot we got to eat at Denny's. Go to Denny's. Dad yells at me. Get her food, but it's wrong. Yell at the waitress. Eat the crappy food. Don't leave a tip because they suck. Go home. Put a good dip in. Watch the racing video. Take a hot shower. Lay in the bed. Fall asleep. Wake up. Watch the video again. You know, it really pisses me off. You work so hard on these race cars, and people want to dog you. People want to badmouth. You think there's a computer driving that race car? No. There ain't no computers in that race car. Go to the shop. Dad yells at me because the shop's dirty again. Clean the shop. Put a good dip in. Sit on tires. Check Facebook and Twitter.
What's your name?
That's the life of a race car driver. He did.